Are you ready to break free from negativity and create a life you truly love? If so, join me in this guided session where we'll tap into your inner strength and cultivate a mindset of optimism and joy. Together, let's embark on this journey of self-discovery and let's unleash your full potential right now. So if it's safe to do so, close your eyes. And I want you now to pretend that your eyes are stuck down tight. Pretend that your eyes are stuck down tight. And keep pretending that your eyes are stuck down tight and try to open them. Pretend that your eyes are stuck down tight and try to open them. Just try. Good, and now stop trying. And as you do, relax. Relax more and more because it feels so good. It feels good to relax mentally. It feels good to relax physically. Every muscle, every nerve and every fibre of your body, from the top of your head down to the very tips of your toes, relaxes more and more. Relax more and more. Relax. From this moment on, every breath relaxes you more and more. And as you relax physically, and as you relax mentally, your unconscious, your powerful unconscious mind does now powerfully and does now completely accept the idea, the suggestion that you are a positive person. This idea, this suggestion, this belief that you are a positive person grows strong for you. It becomes real for you now. And that's not because I say so. It's simply because this is the idea. This is the suggestion that you want. Because this is the idea and because this is the suggestion that you do want, it does mean this idea, this belief that you are a positive person, it does grow strong for you and it does grow powerful for you now. You are a positive person. Of each day that passes, you do feel and you do become more positive. And the reason why you do feel more positive and the reason why you're more positive in yourself each day is because you're in control. You're in complete control of your thoughts. You're in control. You're in complete control of your thoughts. And your thoughts and the things that you think about on a day-by-day basis. Your thoughts are positive and your thoughts remain positive. And your thoughts are positive. And your thoughts do remain positive because you're in control. You're in complete control of your thoughts. I want you now to feel a smile begin to spread across your face. A natural, genuine smile. Feel a smile begin to spread across your face. A natural, genuine smile. And from this moment on, you're smiling more and more. You're smiling more and more. And every time you smile, it reaffirms in you this idea, this belief that you are a positive person. And once more, pretend your eyes are stuck down tight. Pretend that your eyes are stuck down tight. And again, try to open them. Pretend your eyes are stuck down tight. Try to open them. Just give them one more try. Fantastic. Now stop pretending and just open your eyes. Open your eyes. As your eyes open, notice how that smile feels. How that wave of positive energy, it lingers. And you'll carry this feeling with you throughout your day. You've got this. And if you enjoyed the exercise, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Let's create a positive community and let's support each other.